Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIB update for Monday 11th of July. And yeah, so the last time we talked about SHIB, I did tell you that SHIB, even though it was pumping to the upside, and this was on a daily time frame when I was explaining the scenario of what SHIB is really doing. So yeah, it tried to actually move up, but it really moved so high that I think there's another pattern coming in play, and that is a double top, right? First top, second top. This is not a good thing. This is something you want to watch out for. So all in all, even if you have that some sort of a double top, you want to look for a neckline somewhere here. Who knows, this can actually turn into ascending triangle as well. But you do have that particular neckline, but what I'm going to do is actually extend this to the side here and move this a little bit down there, and that's some sort of a neckline you're looking for. So in the next few days, if you see SHIB coming down, losing this level, I just want to tell you that this double top technical target is going to be from there to there, and you're looking for SHIB to drop all the way down to nearly this price level, which is going to be 841 level. Now, what I can say is you know, try to put in some sort of a, let's say that's going to be the resistance. So now to flip bullish, because you try to break it here, you close below the line. You try to break it here, you close below the line again, right? We've got the answer. That's a clear resistance. Resistance number 1 with the wick, number 2 here, number 3 right there. So if anyhow on the daily it starts to come up here, take out this level, back tests this level, then you're looking to actually continue higher. Otherwise, right now this can end up being a double top, come down here, lose this level, and that's it. That's a dump to the downside. And that's it for this quick update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.